Feeling good, but I'm feeling tired. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of me doing my own hair. Today we're gonna be dyeing my hair. This idea from a girl on TikTok. I'm gonna have to tag her, and I wanted my hair to be more vibrant, so I was like, I might as well just dye it again. Let this be known, in this video I say I'm not dyeing my hair no more, but I probably am. I just probably wouldn't use Dark and Lovely. I'm going back to Cream of Nature, of course. Oh my gosh, I'm making such a mess. I'm gonna pour it in my hands because this is ridiculous. Yeah. So my roots did not change any color. So I don't know if it was because I use Dark and Lovely, but I always use Cream of Nature and it always lifts my roots. And I wanted it to be red. I like the color, but I wanted it to be all over. Oh y'all, welcome back to another half episode of me doing my own hair. But I'm also going to be going to the rodeo today, so I'm excited. I have not been to the rodeo before, so this should be exciting. I do like 2 buns with like a swoop. I caught myself dyeing my hair yesterday, so it looks a little bit redder than normal. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm not dyeing my hair no more. Honestly, it's just very damaging to the hair. I'm just not doing it no more. But yeah, I know you guys said I wanted to incorporate more vlogs into my videos. So I know I do basically hair videos, but it's gonna be hair and vlogs sometimes, just so I can mix the two together, because I enjoy showing you guys where I go and stuff that I be doing. I want y'all to be a little nosy, you know? I just like sharing my experiences, honestly. We're gonna do 2 space buns. Oh, and maybe I'll have time to put on some press on nails. We'll see, we'll see. I think my outfit for the rodeo is perfect. Like, it's so cute. I already planned it like a month out, so it should be perfect. I definitely think I want the swoop to go this way. Use my extreme gel, and I'm gonna use some of the gummy wax, and I might spray a little bit of hold, but that's it. I just wanna, my hair's already detangled too. That's what should help make this easier. Let's do like 3 sections of gel. And I know people be brushing their hair down with the sections. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and definitely get it on that part, like right here.
Really not gonna hit that way.
All right, I'll know when I'm doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna text you, because the makeup only gonna take me 15. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, girl, so I'll call you.
All right.
All right, bye.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, I just was being nosy to see what you was wearing.
Oh.
Everybody did. Look at my swoop-de-doops. That's cute, right? Cute, 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 right? I tried my best. Oh, and I got my little piece out. I don't know if I like it anymore. I might put it up. Yeah. Let's do the edges. I really need this swoop to stay all night, so I think I'm gonna use my freeze spray because that's what's gonna really lock it in. So got the B gel. Y'all know the vibes. That's the gel I should have used to hold this all down. Let's just use a little bit of it. I had a quick question. Remember when you went to the rodeo last year? Did you bring your vlog camera in there?
No, I just use my phone because they're really strict. Like even on the purse, even with the purse you bring, make sure you don't bring a very big purse. Like it has to be very small because they will make you throw your purse away.
Oh. So I can't bring my camera? Jesus. Okay, yeah, I'm not bringing my camera because they is not taking my camera. I'm not going back home. No, I'm not doing none of that. You been drinking already?
Yeah, I had made me a little cup before I left the house because I know like the lines might be long. You know.
Howdy.
Oh, he didn't mean to do that. He didn't make it happen. Horse did it. That is an automatic rewrite. So the deal is that's a left-hand delivery.
Her turkey leg was 20. Mine, how much was my food? I think it said 11. And the bottle of water was like $5. Y'all, my buns are too tight. My bun's so tight that it's squeezing my fat on my back of my head.
It was worse before you loosened it up.
Ooh, okay, what about now?
Yeah. Now it looks completely regular.
Okay, great. Y'all, I was walking around with tighty ass buns.
You pay for those yourself? What the fuck?
Why he won't give you an answer?
Talking about it's paper towels, right? It's, I don't know, but it's just like it wouldn't have hurt you to give a fucking paper towel.
We're leaving the rodeo. Had a great time. We was there 2 hours. Nah, we got there at 8. What time is it right now?
It is
11:54.
11.
Yeah, basically 11.
Yep.
We try to leave. We left out early from the concert and missed Erykah Badu.
Like, what was she even up there for?
Like they should have told us. We would have stayed.
Literally.
But we did get us a little turkey leg and some potatoes. I'm back home from the rodeo. It is 12:20. I called an Uber at 11 p.m. We didn't get in the Uber until like 11:50. The Uber took so long to get to where we was at. Everybody was waiting on an Uber. That was crazy. Next time I'ma just drive because oh, and do y'all like my new name for y'all? Y'all are now my faves because I'm your favorite content creator, so I'm now calling you guys my faves. I've already asked, you guys on my community if you guys like being called. What do you want to be called? So I'm going by faves. So y'all are my faves. So hey faves. But thank y'all for watching this video. I don't know if this is the end of the video, but thank y'all for watching this video. Hopefully I got some good footage on my phone, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Let me know if you like this kind of video though. It's my first time mixing in a hair tutorial kind of with a vlog, so yeah, I have fun overall. But yes, I wanted to stay longer, but then I kind of didn't. It's whatever. But yeah, good night y'all. Bye. Feeling good, but I'm feeling tired. Good night. Bye.